Hi, everybody. I just got a new deck because I signed up for a course to learn the Marseille method of reading tarot cards. So I haven't started the course yet. I watched the introduction part. That's it. Or the beginning part. Have to have my husband download it for me because my internet connection here is very slow. So it could take a couple hours to watch a small thing. So I got this to learn with CBD Tarot De Marseille. And it's by Dr. Yoav Ben-Dov. I don't have an idea if I pronounced that even remotely correctly. Okay, I'm having a hard time with that. Let's try from here. Sometimes these tuck boxes are very difficult. Oh, more plastic. Got my trusty little scissors here. So I'm very excited to start this class. I love taking master classes and learning more. I love to use my brain. In my family, there's a lot of dementia, so I'm always reading, always learning something, because that helps you to prolong getting it. And even if you do get it, it helps to reverse it some. So let's start out. Oh, it starts with one, Le Bateleur. I guess this is the magician. Is there no fool? Let's take a look at the book. This is before Rider Waite, so there could be no fool. So page 17. It starts with the magician. Okay. So let's take a look. Guessing this is his sword and his cup, coins, purse for pentacles, and this is his wand. And number 2 is the popes, and I'm guessing that's the Pope, which would be like the Hierophant. I'm totally guessing at this, guys. I have no clue. I'm guessing this is the Empress, number 3, Emperor. So as soon as I learn about this, I'll tell you more about it too. Oh, here's the Pope. Who did I think was the Pope? The Pace. Oh, this would be she is the Empress, or High Priestess. Not Empress, High Priestess. Here is the Hierophant, the Pope. The Lovers. Number 6, we got the little Cupid. And it looks like maybe he's marrying these two to each other. I don't know. The Chariot. Very colorful. Got all, your primary colors in there. The Justice is number 8. Okay. I do remember reading about Justice used to be number 8, and Strength used to be number 11 for Fortitude. It was not Strength, Fortitude. And it wasn't a nice looking card back then. Okay. 9 for the Hermit. The Wheel of Fortune. And of course, these are written in French. And we got the guy who's up here with the good fortune, the guy going down, and this guy trying to get up. No one wants to be going down or be down here. La Force, 11. Here's the old-fashioned strength. And it looks like she is using force. The Hangman, number 12. Death, 13. Look, he's actually stepping on that person's head. Temperance, 14. The Devil, Diabla. Look, the devil, she's got her tongue sticking out. Got breasts, got a penis. But with the face, it looks like she should be doing this, you know? At a rock concert. The Tower, look how big they are. Man, falling out of a tower that little, they wouldn't be injured. The Star. Here's the Moon. The Lobster, Crawfish, the Dog and the Wolf. Of course, the Moon. Sun, Le Soleil. And we got the two babies. Judgment. And the World, Le Monde. Okay. I'm guessing these are wands. So here's the Ace. 2. No. Oh, this has got to be, this is the Fool. Okay, so they put him in the back. The Cup, okay. We have all the aces together here. Pentacle, round. Wand. Cup. Kind of looks like a crown, but it's a cup. And the Sword. I like all the confetti. Okay, so here is, let's put it here, just so you can see it for a moment, all the aces. I am totally getting my first look at this all with you guys. So now we got the twos. We have 2 coins here. No, okay, this has got to be the Page, Knight, Queen, King. Yes, I just tilt my tripod so you can see them all together. They're just trying to throw me off on this deck. Okay. We have the Wands, the Page, Knight, Queen, and the King. So here's the court cards for the Wands. Next, the Cups. Page, Knight, Queen, King. The Caring King, the Loving Queen, Prince Charming, Knight, in armor, and the page, the messenger, his love letter to deliver, I believe. If this was the Rider-Waite, I don't know what it will be like in the Marseille. But here is what they look like. Here's the court cards for the cups. Man, I can't wait to find out how this system works. Is it going to be numbers? You know, the numerology, swords, page of swords, knight of swords, queen of swords, king of swords. Pepe is the king. Or Roy is the king. Depe is the sword. Okay, let's see them all together. He doesn't look, the knight doesn't look as hasty in this picture. We don't have the gloomy clouds and the wind blowing the tree and the hair. So everything's pretty still here. Not as chaotic looking. The Two of Pentacles, 3. So I'm sure these things have some meaning that I don't know about yet. But we can see the 3 rounds, the 4, 5 of Pentacles. I'm not going to even assume that this is the sharing, exchanging and sharing of resources, like in the Rider-Waite. It might be. I don't know. Hey, let's just check and see if that one card. Let's check the 6 of Pentacles, or whatever they call them here. Six of Coins, expansion, abundance of resource, and possible ways to advance. A positive outlook, success, a good balance between stability and movement. Okay, so they say nothing about the sharing and exchanging of resources. It's the abundance and expansion. Success. So I'm sure I'm going to be learning so much. 7, 8, 9, 10. These are just the pips. 2, 3, and this is 4. Okay. I saw they look like this is just 1, but that's 2. 1, 2. The red things. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm sure I got so much to learn with this. This class this summer will be fun. Keep my mind working and active. 2 of Cups. It looks like a family crest down here. So I can't wait to find out about this and tell you guys about it. 3 of Cups. 4 of Cups. 5 of Cups. 6 of Cups. 7 of Cups. 8 of Cups. 9 of Cups. 10 of Cups. And here's the swords. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oops. And then just a blank card, and also it has the name card. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Getting to see a totally different deck. It's not like the one I'm used to. I know with my grandmother, we had some decks like with, pips. And it was more just based on intuition. So I can't wait to find out about this and let you guys know. And thank you for watching. I hope you guys are all being safe and taking care of yourselves and informing yourself and keeping up with everything that's happening in the world and putting your 2 cents out there and voting. Keep Black people safe. We got to vote and do what we can to help them. And just make the world one, We got to be safe and all together. And we got to stay safe from the pandemic because the numbers starting to rise again up there, which they expected. They just emptied the hospitals out so they'd have some beds. So be careful. Keep your minds active. Enjoy your families. Enjoy time you do get to be at home. So take care, everybody. Give this a 2 thumbs up or 1 thumb up, whatever it is. Yeah, this is not a movie review. It's just give 1 thumbs up. But I have 2 thumbs to stick up. So, and subscribe. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Bye.